In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make college schedule on Google Calendar. Let's set up a clean, dedicated calendar so your classes are easy to see and manage. Start by opening Google Calendar and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, switch to Week View using the controls in the top right corner. Week View makes it much easier to see class blocks, compare days, and spot conflicts. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus icon there and choose Create New Calendar. Give it a clear name like College Schedule so you can keep it separate from your personal events. You can add a short description if you want and make sure your time zone is correct. Then click Create Calendar. When it's done, head back to the main calendar page. Now let's add your first class. Click the Create button, then choose Event. In the title field, type the class name, for example, Chemistry. Set the date to the first day the class meets this term. Next, set the start and end time to match the class session. To make this repeat, open the repeat options and choose a weekly schedule that matches your class pattern, such as every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or every Tuesday and Thursday. If you know your semester end date, set an end date for the series so it doesn't continue past finals. Before saving, make sure this event goes on your new calendar. Find the calendar selector in the event details. Click My Calendars and choose College Schedule. This ensures all your classes appear in one dedicated place with a consistent color. While you're here, it helps to add the classroom location, building, or any helpful notes in the description, like the instructor's office hours or a reminder about lab requirements. You can also adjust notifications if you like a heads up before each class. Click Save and you'll see your class appear as a block in Week View. Repeat the same process for your remaining classes. Keep the naming consistent so you can scan quickly, and double-check the repeat settings for each course to match the exact days and times. If a holiday or a one-off change comes up later, you can open that single class meeting and edit just that occurrence without affecting the entire series. That's it. With your college schedule calendar created and your classes added, you'll have a clear, organized view of your week that's easy to maintain all semester.